Let's start the Maserati. What do you think we are going to find? I'll hand you over to my wife. She can film if the engine explodes, sends itself to the sky. We'll soon find out. No. We still can't get it started. We had to put another battery on the back. We've got jump leads onto the van and a boost pack. Will it start this time? Let's go.
I'm not too worried about it. I'm messing it out. That's right.
Yeah.
Give you a push.
Okay, so on with the Maserati. We're going to quickly take the oil filter out just to see what we got going on. It did start earlier, albeit absolutely horrific. So first things first, guys, let's find out what the oil filter's telling us. But I'm not feeling very confident with the situation at the minute. I think I can see filings in it already before I even start pulling out the filter. Let's see if I can get it past here, Dan. I don't know if I can get it past here without taking this out. You might be able to get it past. Ready? Alright, that's that. Why is everything on this vehicle? It feels like it hasn't been out, any of this. It feels like it hasn't been out. Like, you know. Oh yeah. Oh yes. We have got metal filings for days. I don't really want to put it all over me, but unless it's just this bit there, Dan. But I have put 6 litres of oil in this, and it only takes 8.8. Oh yeah. There we go, guys. Ready? Watch this. Pieces of bottom end bearings in that filter. Well, look at that lot. Absolutely covered in metal filings. Let's do this for the cameras. Look at that. So yes, it's going to be pull the sump off, and look at that, guys. It is absolutely covered in metal filings. So have they put it into a garage to have the work done? They've quoted them for the work. They've decided not to do it. Look at that, guys. But how bad the rod's going to be now. How bad is the crank going to be? If we can get away with the crank and some bottom end bearings, look at that. We're never getting away with that. Look at that. Right, let's get the under trays off and let's get that oil drained out to see what it actually looks like. But remember guys, I have put 6 litres of oil in this vehicle. Let's have a laugh. Fucking hell, man. What is it with people trying to do up thumps? Jeez. Oh, but remember I put fresh oil in this. You see that? Something shiny there. You see that?
It does look like something, doesn't it?
Well, it's all going to be dependent now on how damaged the rods are. Well,
Move that back in.
not a lot more we can do there. You can see the metal in it, look. Look at that. You see it? See the specks? Or is it? Yeah.
Is it or is it?
I would say that's metal. Yeah, definitely metal. Look at that. Look at the metallic in that. Oh, fuck. Loads. Can you see that, Dan?
Yeah.
There's loads in there. That is well and truly. I'm not holding much hope here. So, time to start stripping the car down to see what's going on with the turbo. Let's have a quick look at the DPF. Let's see exactly what is going on in this vehicle. Ready to start taking the engine out if we need to. On removing the DPF, we could clearly see it had 2 snap bolts. That's why the exhaust was hanging off. As you can see, guys, the Maserati is still on the ramp. From what you can see in the video, there's no question this engine has to come out, and I'm absolutely gutted because we have found stuff on here that should never be there. We've got snap bolts in the DPF. We've got a turbo water pipe that's not been fitted. It's just sitting in the boot. Obviously, we found bits of filings in the oil filter, but that could have been the fact that this has been apart. They've repaired the bearing, or they've repaired the bearings and they haven't cleaned it through properly. But there is just too many unknowns with this car to leave it as it is. That engine has to come out, guys. So, nice little wedding anniversary present for my wife tomorrow when I tell her the engine's got to come out. So, wonder, should I tell her before we go out for something to eat, or maybe during the meal? Or maybe just don't tell her at all. What do you reckon, guys? We'll see you on the next one.